anyone do the hill cutting, the Talati will be the responsible. How you look at this?
See, Talati holding Talati is one responsible, but this is a nexus between politicians. This cannot happen without the connection of politicians. Politicians are promoting this. First of all, he should take action on politicians who are promoting this. Hill cutting cannot happen. It might be the sarpanch, it might be elected members. How many people or how many politicians are involved in this real estate? How many are involved in changing their zones? How many are involved in this TCP? So this is basically आमी highlight केलेले. हिंगा जायते opening batsmen आशिल्ले to make this during this BJP government. This opening batsmen वरदे तेंका तेमी bold केले. थोड़े open close घराको हाय. So if you look, the amount, the biggest thing is alienation of Goa's lands, and we need to protect this. Special status दितले म्हणून प्रधानमंत्रीन सांगलेले आमका 2014 what happened to that? Instead of that, हे सगळे शर्मा वर्मा आणि इंगेली ही सगळी कर्मा हे बंद जावपाक जाय. बंद जाल्यारूच म्हाका दिसता आमचे गोय माणकुले गोय आमी सांबाळपाक जाय.